Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I want to intro my group assignment. My name is Muhammad Syakir Aslam bin Mustafa. My number matric is 071484. And my group is Muhammad Adin 071694 and Danish Arifin 070804. Wan Muhammad Ashraf 071557. Iman Hakimi 070800. I want to talk about my group has chosen 3 devices to explain about this assignment. The devices has been chosen is a Vuzix Blade AR, Insta360 and Anycubic Mega IT 3D.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Adin. So the input of Vuzix Blade AR is the camera. The Vuzix Blade AR features an 8 megapixel camera that captures real-time photos and video. The output is the display. The Vuzix Blade AR features a built-in see-through display that delivers digital information into the real world. The second device is the Insta360 1R. So the input is the GPS. The Insta360 1R includes a built-in GPS module that allows customer to tune the digital camera's place, speed, and altitude. And the output is the photo. The digital camera can output pics in numerous formats, consisting of popular 360 degrees snapshots and photographs. And the third device is the Anycubic Mega i3 3D. The input is the USB connection. The Anycubic Mega i3 3D printer can also be linked to a PC through USB, permitting customers to manipulate the printer. And the output is the noise. So the Anycubic Mega i3 3D printer produces a noise stage of around 50 dB, which is incredibly quiet for a 3D printer. That's it for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syakir Aslam bin Mustafa. My number matric is 071484. Today I want to explain about function of 3 devices. The first devices I want to explain is Vuzix Blade AR. Vuzix Blade AR is a smart glasses device that function as a user interact with digital information. To function the devices is voice control and camera. The Vuzix Blade AR can control by using commands, enabling the wearer to interact with digital information without using their hands. Second, camera. The Vuzix Blade AR also features a built-in camera that can capture photo and videos, enabling the wearer to share their point of view with others. Second devices is a Insta360 1R. It has 2 functions, slow motion and HDR photo and video. The camera can shoot slow motion video at up to 200 frames per second, enabling users to capture fast moving in stunning detail. Second, the Insta360 1R can capture HDR photos and videos which combine multiple exposure to create image with a wider range of colors and contrast. The last devices is Anycubic Mega i3 3D. Anycubic Mega i3 3D is a 3D printing machine. It is a machine that can 3D object exported from the desktop to the machine. The printer has a large boot volume of 210 times 210 times 205 mm, allowing user to create larger object than other desktop 3D printer. That's all from me. Thank you.
So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Iman Hakimi bin Adnan. So today in our group, I would like to talk about the price of the 3 devices that we choose. So the first one is the Vuzix Blade. So the price of this device is around 4,455 ringgit plus minus. So the company Vuzix plans to deliver a developer version of the product in the next few months, with a consumer version coming in the second quarter of this year. The price right now is $1,000, but Vuzix hopes to bring it down to less than $500 with future generations. So the second device is the Anycubic Mega i3 3D. The price of this device is around 1,400 to 21 ringgit, which is reasonable considering its functionality and smart features. 3D printing uses computer aided design to create three-dimensional objects through a layering method, sometimes referred to as additive manufacturing. 3D printing involves layering materials like plastic, composites, or biomaterials to create objects that range in shape, size, rigidity, and color. So the last one is the Insta360 ONE-R. The Insta360 ONE-R is now available in Malaysia, and the cheapest Insta360 ONE-R price in Malaysia is RM2,399 from Lazada. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Danish Arifin Makeup Arifin, number matrix 070804. So the benefit of Vuzix Blade AR is its sharp display. It has transparent features that show the overlay virtual records onto the actual global. It will permit clients to view content without obstructing their vision. And the disadvantage of this device is the poor processing power. The processing electricity isn't always as strong as that of high-quality phone or laptop. This may impact the overall performance, which will lead to slower rendering, lag, or reduced picture satisfactory. And the second is Insta360 ONE-R. The benefit is the high quality capture. The camera produce wonderful pictures with alternative for as much as 5.7K decision video recording at 80 megapixel picture size. This degree of detail permits for lovely visuals. And the disadvantages of this device is it's expensive. This device is placed inside the higher fee variety in comparison to other consumer grade action cameras. This is because even though it is justified fee for plenty client, it is considered to be steeply priced for some ability customers. Lastly, the Anycubic Mega i3 3D. The benefit is its astonishing printing quality. The Anycubic i3 can produce brilliant prints with correct accuracy and detail. It makes use of unique mechanism and additive, which includes a sturdy frame and reliable extruder. And the disadvantage of this device is it is not very upgrade friendly. While this device is open source and lets in for firmware and software adjustment, the hardware upgradability is somewhat restrained. This considers the build of stand or extruder.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Muhammad Ashraf bin Makeup Arifin. My number is 071557. So I want to talk about implementation for the device we choose. So the first one is Vuzix Blade AR Glass. So basically for Vuzix Blade AR Glass have a battery life of around 2 to 3 hours, but by increasing the battery life would allow user to use the glass longer. So the next one is Insta360 ONE-R. The Insta360 ONE-R is designed to be rugged. It can still be easily damaged like a water damage, but implementing a waterproof feature, it makes it more durable. For example, underwater exploring without taking the Insta360. So for the last one is Anycubic Mega i3 3D printer. The Anycubic Mega i3 3D printer can be quite noisy, which is annoying for user. Improving the noisy level of the printer would make it more pleasant to use. So that's all for me. Thank you.